Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use pay links to accept payments in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio dashboard, and what we're going to do is that we're going to hover over here, the getting paid option, and then we will click on pay links. And then from here, we can create link, and then you can insert your name right here. So for example, like haircut fee, and then the price will be 100, and then you can insert some tax here if you have your tax settings already created, and then you can insert a description and then the item image. And then for the settings right here, you can set an expiration date, you can limit the number of payments, and you can also mark it as a shippable order. So in order to create a pay link, you need to use a premium plan. So since I'm using the free plan, I can't really click on the pay link right here. But essentially what it does is that after you click on create pay link, it will give you a link that you can send or share to customers. And then you can send that link to your customers so that they will be automatically redirected to the payment page. So pay links are a great way to have easier access to your payment methods in Wix Studio. So in order to set up a pay link as well, you need to set up the payment methods. So from here, you can click on connect payment method. Just click on connect and set up, or you can also click on settings and then click on accept payments. So either way, it will be just the same. And then from here, you can set up your PayPal account. So for example, if I click on connect, it will ask me for my details for my PayPal account, and then I can just click on connect and then they will be connected automatically. And then for the other one, for manual payments, you can click on connect as well, and then you can specify the payment type: manual payment, cash payment, offline payment, cash on delivery. And then you will say the instructions right here. So for example, if you are offering cash on delivery, you can say pay cash, item is here. For example, like that, pay cash on delivery man when the item is delivered to you. So if you are going to create a cash on delivery, and then you can also see more payment options if you have other payment methods such as HitPay, Payment Wall, online payments, Dragon Pay. So this varies per country. So this is the payment methods that is allowed in my country. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to use it, and thank you for watching.